We have come to Tura Bazaar today, 23rd of December, just to feel the festive season, to see the people shopping and buying stuff for Christmas. So thought it's a great idea to just look around and be around.
So this is Christmas, and what have you done? Another year over, a new one just begun. And so this is Christmas. I hope you have fun. The near and the dear ones, the old and the young. A very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let's hope